Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another weekly tip video. Now, as you're probably aware, we are huge fans of SetApp, the Mac app subscription service from MacPaw. This week's tip video is all about OneSwitch, a handy menu bar utility available as part of your SetApp subscription or available for $4.99 from the developer's website over at fireball.studio. So this is the OneSwitch page over in SetApp. Now I've already downloaded and installed the application, so let me just pop SetApp out of the way. As I mentioned before, OneSwitch is a menu bar application, and this is the menu bar icon to activate it. So if we click it once, various utilities, various ways of toggling different system settings on using OneSwitch. And these are configurable. I'll show you that shortly. A quick example, hide desktop icons. I toggle that on and those three icons here have disappeared and I can get them back at any time. So it hasn't deleted them, it's just hiding them. Direct access to dark mode. I can switch dark mode on and off quite simply by toggling the switch, but there is also options to go in and set the auto change along with the timings of that auto change as well. But I'll leave it as switch manually. I'm starting to prefer dark mode, so that's fine. Let me just compress that back up. Next option is to keep awake. Currently I've set that to activate for indefinitely. Now this is great if you're recording a screencast as I am now, or if you're on a Skype call. You can set it so that your machine doesn't go to sleep or it doesn't kick in with a screensaver. Now I can switch this off, but I'm going to leave this on while I'm recording. Now currently I have it set to activate for indefinitely, but if I click on this disclosure triangle, you'll see that I can determine the amount of time, so 5 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, but we'll leave it as indefinitely. Now from here I can activate the screensaver directly. I'm not sure if this will mess up my recording, but let's give it a go. There's my screensaver. If I click to come out, put my password back in. Takes me back to my desktop, and then click again, takes me back to OneSwitch. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.